I am a court-appointed special advocate, or Casa for short. A Casa is appointed or assigned by a judge to assist the courts in determining what is in the best interest of abused or neglected children whose cases are in the child welfare court system. Casas advocate on behalf of these children to help ensure that their cases do not become lost in an overburdened legal and social service system, and so that these children do not remain in temporary homes any longer than necessary. For many abused and neglected children, a Casa will be the one constant adult presence in the child's life. Casa volunteers are everyday citizens who have undergone screening, background checks, and extensive training in order to advocate for children. Casa volunteers are from all walks of life, but share a common passion and belief that all children deserve a safe, permanent, and nurturing home. A Casa volunteer meets directly with his or her assigned child and also speaks with everyone of significance in that child's life: parents and relatives, foster parents, teachers, medical professionals, attorneys, social workers, and others. The Casa then uses the information he or she has gathered to inform the judge, caseworkers, and attorneys involved in the child's case what the child's needs are and to make the recommendations regarding the child's best interest. Casa's 5 main responsibilities are: investigating the current and background facts of each child's case, serving as a fact finder for the court; identifying resources and services to help address the child's unmet needs; advocating for the child and their best interests in the courtroom by providing reports to the court with the facts, child's desires, and Casa's recommendations for the court's consideration; facilitating communication for collaborative relationships between the parties in the case; and monitoring and reporting back to the court on the parties' adherence to the court's order and treatment plans. The order to appoint, a judicial order signed by the judge, permits Casa to conduct any and all interviews necessary to obtain information related to the child and his or her primary caregivers. You will receive a copy of this order. If Casa believes medical or psychological records of the caregivers are necessary, you will be asked to fill out a release of information form. If a Casa has been assigned to your child's case, please expect contact from the Casa volunteer to set up a time to meet and talk. Until your child's dependency case is closed, you can expect the Casa volunteer to keep regular contact with you, your child, and any other significant person involved in the life of your child. It is important to know that Casa is assigned by the court to be a voice for your child.